Tong.
Back to Aquino again. To Rabanera, 5-15. No. Rebound to Tizano. Finding off his teammates. Mijares. Kick out to Perez. 2 points. Finding Aquino. Onto the middle side. Rabanera with a jumper. No. Mijares to the rebound. Here comes Pinapani. There's the foul call.
Bebe.
Who's fouled it? Jersey number 5.
Tong.
That's his first personal foul. First
Tama na sabi sa laro niyo, Tong.
Here comes Jacob Benahali. Shooting 2. First ball, no count.
Flu game daw yun, Dre. Flu game.
Makes the second one. Here comes Tula. Moving his body. Finding Abada. 14 on the shot clock.
3 seconds.
3 seconds violation. First remove of the third quarter for Yamatista. Waving off his teammates, Aquino. 16 on the shot clock. Aquino using his body. And there's the foul call for the youth number 13. That's his first
Mark,
personal foul.
Mark, ay tumakbo. Naiinis ka, Dre? Naiinis yata ito. Maganda yata ito. Palitan muna.
Here comes Paul Aquino. Shooting 2. First ball, basket count.
Magsusundo ka pa, Dre? Magsusundo ka pa.
Rebound there to Beno. Here comes Perez on the run. Lead back to
Tangina mo.
steal. And out of bounds. Subdivision.
Ayan si Yeng. Pasahan nyo na pasahan yan.
Eh, kanya ni Aya.